At IGPP, our work lies at the intersection of policy, technology, and society. Over the years, we have explored how digital transformations are reshaping not just markets or industries, but the very core of our social, economic, and political lives. Through focused research, policy dialogues, and publications, we have attempted to decode the complex digital ecosystems that are increasingly becoming part of everyday governance. In this journey, one thing has become clear. As conversations about artificial intelligence, digital governance, and data rights grow louder, we must also pay attention to what quietly enables them all: compute infrastructure. These are the digital and physical foundations that power everything from data processing to model training. They form the invisible backbone of our digital economy. Among the many components of compute infrastructure, data centers are perhaps the most critical and the most overlooked. Often seen as mere storage units, data centers are in fact high performance sites that process, analyze, and circulate massive volumes of data. Every time we interact with digital systems, it is these centers that do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. As India races ahead in its digital journey, the demand for advanced and resilient data infrastructure is growing rapidly. But with this growth comes a set of questions. Are we building fast without thinking long term? Are data centers ready to handle the complexity and scale of future AI systems? And most importantly, are we building in a way that is socially, economically, and environmentally sustainable? It is in this context that we see the need for a deeper, more grounded understanding of the infrastructure supporting India's digital ambitions. We're also seeing global conversations around data centers shifting. Countries are facing resistance from local communities over issues like water usage, noise, and ecological sensitivity. As India builds its own digital backbone, we must take these lessons seriously and design frameworks that reflect both our ambitions and our responsibilities. At the same time, the absence of a unified national policy framework for data centers creates serious gaps. Land acquisition norms, environmental clearances, taxation policies, and energy sourcing all differ from state to state, slowing down progress and creating inconsistencies. A national policy could offer coherence, ensure stakeholder alignment, and pave the way for responsible infrastructure development that supports both economic growth and environment resilience.